English speaking easily, effortlessly, and independently. Yes, if you are a shy person and you have a lot of fixation that you don't want others to know your efforts in improving your English, here are some of the secrets that I will be sharing. This is the first of many episodes that I'm about to make. Here today, I'm going to share a few secret tips to improving your language all by yourself. First and foremost, we need to fix what we already know. There's no point adding more words without fixing the minor errors in our language and then get on with adding more new words, grace and style. Today I'm going to share 5 secret tips to speaking English easily, effortlessly, and independently. Obviously, you're choosing this method because you're shy. These help in getting over your shyness. Secret number 1. Find a companion who's also in the same pursuit of improving their language. Try getting on a call with this person at least 2 or 3 times a day for 5 minutes each time. And talk to this person without any agenda. You can talk about a movie, or you can talk about a book that you read, or you can talk about your pet dog. It can be anything. Speaking without stress will improve the confidence and your ability to handle the language with what you already know. Secret number 2. Your grocery shopping can improve your fluency too. Wondering how? Yes, all superstores have English speaking salespeople in all their counters. Visit different sections and try picking a product and ask different questions about it to the salespeople. After all, salespeople are there to answer the customer's queries, isn't it? Money and time well spent in a supermarket, as long as you don't annoy them. Secret number 3. If you're in the company of people whose grace and style you're fascinated by, try following them. You can pick the words that you like in their usage and make a note of it. You can always Google for more on the usage and the pronunciation and try practicing. Try using the same word with someone else on the same day or the following day. Secret number 4. Believe me, nobody will admit this, but at some point or the other, everybody has adopted this. It's easier when they are kids, but since you can't go back in time, you can always try behaving like one now. The secret is trying to copy someone you admire. You might have a favorite movie star or a TV character that you are very fond of. You can try copying their lines and practice them in front of the mirror, mimicking them. You can even record yourself and check for corrections. This favorite person can also be from your real life. Secret number 5. If all the 4 secrets that I shared so far are not suitable to you, this one should. It will definitely work. It has worked for me. It is getting on virtual fight. What? You're not sure what it is? Here's how you do it. You have an annoying boss or a mean friend. If you are unable to confront with that person, get on a confrontation with them virtually in your head. Believe me, it works. Every time a person is angry, they tend to speak faster and without inhibitions in their head. You tend to use words that you thought you never knew, but your brain does and it knows when to use it appropriately. But try using this in your private space for the kind of problems you could get into. If you like this video, click the like button and the notifications bell. I will be releasing a part 2 of this video. Speaking English easily, even without speaking. Wow, watch out for it. Press that thumbs up button to let me know that you like the video, and I will keep making more such videos. And share it to any friend whom you think will find this useful. Subscribing to this channel will let you know every time I post a video. It's one life and it's our life, and let's make it count.